אנגלית, שאלון ג', מודיול C, גרסה א', חורף תשע"א, 2011. הוראות מיוחדות. 1. עליך לכתוב את כל תשובותיך בגוף השאלון במקומות המיועדים לכך. 2. כתוב את כל תשובותיך באנגלית ובעת בלבד. אסור להשתמש בטיפקס. 3. בתום הבחינה החזר את השאלון למשגיח. ההנחיות בשאלון זה מנוסחות בלשון זכר ומכוונות לנבחנות ולנבחנים כאחד.
Access to information from written text.
הבנת הנקרא. קרא את הקטע שלפניך וענה על השאלות 1-11.
Read the report below and then answer questions 1-11. The Power of Smell by Mark Hall. Smells influence us in many ways. The smell of fresh bread makes us hungry, and the smell of cooking gas warns us of danger. Some scents bring back childhood memories, such as the smell of a favorite food. However, smell doesn't only affect our feelings. It also affects our behavior. Recent experiments have shown, for example, that the smell of a lemon can make us more energetic, whereas the smell of vanilla helps us relax. Other studies deal with the effects of smell on people's shopping behavior. These studies show that the use of pleasant smells increases sales. One study found that the scents which a store uses can attract us to enter the store and make us buy more. Many businesses now use this power of smell. A big hotel, for example, uses a smell of fresh flowers in the lobby and sells candles and other gifts with the same scent. This scent then becomes part of the pleasant experience in the hotel. The hotel manager believes that after the hotel guests go home, whenever they smell this scent, they will remember their stay and want to return. It seems that he is right. Since the hotel began using this special scent, the number of guests returning to the hotel has increased. Other businesses use smell to influence customers to buy specific products. One example is a tea company that wanted to attract more customers. An advertising agency advised the company to add the scent of the tea to the packaging so that customers could smell the tea without opening the box. Soon, their products became very popular. Some people object to the use of smell by businesses and advertising agencies. They claim that we can easily ignore advertisements that we hear or see, but not advertisements that use smells. In fact, people are often not aware that they are being influenced by smells. Since it seems that scents will continue to be used by businesses, we should try to understand how they affect us. Then we might be able to control their influence, and maybe the next time our nose tells us to buy more, we will be able to refuse.
ענה באנגלית על השאלות 1-11 על פי הקטע שקראת. בשאלות 1, 3, 6, 10 ו-11 הקף במעגל את המספר של התשובה הנכונה. בשאר השאלות ענה לפי ההוראות.
Answer questions 1-11 in English according to the report. In questions 1, 3, 6, 10, and 11, circle the number of the correct answer. In the other questions, follow the instructions. 1. What is the subject of lines 1-3? 1. The kinds of scents people like. 2. The effects of smells on people. 3. The influence of scents in childhood. 4. The way different people use smells. 2. How do smells influence people's shopping behavior? Lines 4-9. People, 3. What do we learn about the power of smell from lines 4-16? 1. Some businesses refuse to use it. 2. Customers are asking businesses to use it. 3. Studies show it often has a bad effect on businesses. 4. Businesses are using it to increase sales. 4. How did the scent affect the hotel's business? Lines 10 to 16. 5. Give 2 examples of smells that make people remember past experiences. Take the examples from 2 different paragraphs. 6. What can customers do now when they buy tea? Lines 17 to 20. 1. They can buy tea with new scents. 2. They can smell the tea before buying it. 3. They can open the tea boxes in the stores. 4. They can buy bigger tea packages. 7. Copy the words that show that the advertising agency gave good advice to the tea company. Lines 17 to 20. 8. Why do some people object to the use of smell in advertising? Lines 21 to 27. Because they cannot 9. What does the writer think about the future use of smells in advertising? Lines 21 to 27. 10. According to Mark Hall, if people understand the effects of smells, they can Lines 21 to 27. 1. Easily remember pleasant experiences. 2. Influence other people's feelings. 3. Control their shopping behavior. 4. Tell businesses which smells they like. 11. Another title for this report could be 1. Smells that sell. 2. Research on smells. 3. Using new scents. 4. Popular scents.
בהצלחה.